In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a domain and go high level. You'll need this when you're setting up your account. We got a full video below on AutoShop, how to set up the website from start to finish and go high level. Check out the link below and you can watch the full tutorial. All right, Friday here, grab your favorite drink. We got ours. All right, let's jump into it. Connected domain. So we'll go back into the settings. And to connect a domain, you would come to the domain URL. You can purchase a domain if they don't have one already. A lot of your customers though, or if you're a business and you're looking to upgrade, you're going to have a domain already. You just come into connect. You would then connect your website here. You add the domain. So if we're doing these guys here, you just copy and paste the domain in. And then it's going to give you, you'll want to add the A and CNAME record. So these are the records that you would then put on their domain provider. So if their domain is with GoDaddy or some other domain provider, this is where you just add this A and CNAME record. And then when you do that, it's going to automatically put the new website we just built them, that'll go live. So that way your customer or you as a business owner still stay in control of your domain, but your web agency provider can then build the website and automate all this stuff for you. Also remember our link below, 30-day free trial. Just do it yourself and build the website. Or if you'd like us to build it for you, you can also reach out to us directly through our contact form, our website down below. There's another link there. Or just leave us a message and we'll reach out to you.